Twitter had a far less rocky IPO than Facebook did last year, and Twitter continues to do extremely well compared to Facebook in its first month as a publicly traded stock. Twitter up 9% Monday, no real news driving it, and guess what? Up another 5% in early trading Tuesday. Shares now above 51. That's a new all-time high, and that's somewhat of a silly term for a company that's only been public for about a month. But Facebook, as you recall, when it went public, shares quickly tumbled. It took more than a year before it got back to its IPO price, let alone its all-time high. Now, here's the thing. Twitter and Facebook, if you look at just their stock price, they're about almost equal. Twitter trading at around 51, Facebook just under 50. Of course, Facebook is a much bigger company. But people are probably now wondering, will either of these companies get to 100 anytime soon? You know, all they got to do is double, and hey, these are momentum stocks. Probably not going to happen next year, maybe 2015. My money's still more on Facebook than Twitter, and here's why. Twitter, not yet profitable. Facebook is. Yes, we know that Twitter at this stage of its young life probably doing better in mobile than Facebook was at its point, comparable to Twitter. But Facebook, like I said, it is a profitable company with a lot of cash. Twitter still has a lot to prove. It's losing money. So when Twitter reports its first public financial results in January, there'll be those fourth quarter and 2013 full year results, investors are going to be wondering whether or not Twitter is any closer to making money. And if not, maybe investors will start to get a little bit more skeptical and realize that, hey, when it comes to social media, there's already a leader out there that's very, very profitable, and its name is Facebook, not Twitter.